Hello students, this is a demonstration of how to turn in your homework digitally with Big Ideas Math. As you can see here, we're at the bigideasmath.com login page. So the first thing we should do is type in our username and our password and go ahead and log in. Now the default screen that we get here is the resource pages. The first thing I want to do is go right up here to assignments to see if my teacher's given me any new assignments. So right here I can see that I do have an assignment that I need to work on. The first thing that I need to do here is to actually go and use my textbook and paper and complete the assignment on another sheet of paper. Once that is done, I can go ahead and enter into this assignment so I can turn my work in digitally. I get this title screen right here to let me know the title of the assignment. Go ahead and click Start. Now the assignment that I was given was to do 1.1 exercises number 5 and 7. You'll notice right here this says number 1. This actually does correspond to the number in the book. So this is the first problem that I was assigned, but this problem right here would be number 5 in the book. So what I'm going to do here is I look at the work on my paper. My answer was x equals 3. So I'm going to enter in 3 right there. And which statement shows the correct justification for the step used to solve the equation? Well, in order to do that, I subtracted 5 from each side, so I select that. Down here, I'm going to click Check Answer. Since both of those lit up in green, I know that both of those answers are correct, so I'm welcome to move on to the next problem. So right here again, this says it's number 2, but what it means is it's the second problem in the assignment, which was actually number 7 in the homework. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the answer that I got, which is y equals -7. And the way that I got -7 is I subtracted 3 from each side. Okay, so let's go ahead and check the answer. Oh no, those lit up in red. That means that they're both wrong. So, since I got these wrong, I would like some help. So I have this little Need Help button right here. This brings up my help menu. I can watch a video to remind me of how to do this. I can review the lesson. This brings me back to the textbook page that has the corresponding lesson with it. Here's another review. This is another reteaching worksheet that I could use to practice that skill. Okay, so let's say that I tried it. This time I'm going to add 3 to each side. And if I add 3 to each side, let's say I got the answer was -1. I know that's wrong, but check it again. No, that's still wrong. Now that I've tried a couple of different things and I still don't know what the correct answer is, you'll see that this Live Tutor button showed up. Live tutors are only available on certain problems, so your teacher will let you know which of those problems Live Tutor is available for. Live Tutor is also available Sunday through Thursday from 1 p.m. to 9 p.m. Now if I click this right here, it'll connect me to a live person who can help me complete this problem. I'm not going to click on that right now because I'm sure they have more important things to do than help us with this video. So what I'm going to do is, now that I've looked through my resources, I'm going to go back to my paper. I'm going to reattempt the problem. So I see now that the correct thing to do would be to add 4 to each side, which would give me an answer of y is equal to +7. So let's check that answer. Yay, everything's green. That means we're correct. So I go on. Now at this point, I've got both of the questions done. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click on my name. Now I have the choice here that I can save and exit. This is if I'm not complete. So if you wanted to do some of your homework one night, you can save it and then come back to it later. But what I want to do right here is submit since I'm finished. Are you sure you want to submit? Yes, I am, because I'm all done. Okay, so congratulations. You're done with your homework. You got 2 correct answers for a score of 100%. At this point, your answers are being sent to your instructor, who can then give you the appropriate grade.